Alright, so it is Friday, June 20th, 2025, and I'm gonna do something new. Remember back in March, I made a video of these units, and then I went to Florida. I made a video of those, a separate video. I'm gonna do something different. So I'm gonna film these, and I'm gonna upload the video on Sunday. So I'm gonna start off with these, and I'm gonna finish the video tomorrow in Florida. So yeah, I'm gonna do a thumbnail with these units and then the 3 Goodmans in Florida. So yeah, so I'll change it up just a little bit. Gotta be careful, there are sprinklers going on right now. Try not to get drenched, and it's. Hang on a second, I'm sorry. Yeah. Alright. You're getting kind of cleaned. So here's the Goodman. Let's go to Copeland Scroll. It's obviously not been done in. 13 SEER. 2011, 1.5 ton. GSZ14. My phone is getting soaked. Yes. Yeah, I was literally getting soaked right there. Hang on a second. Alright, sorry about that. Just didn't want to get completely soaked. Here, I Copeland Scroll. (2011) 1.5 ton GSZ13. So yeah, 13 SEER. And here's this one. Alliance Squirrel compressor. I'm gonna get a startup and shut down these units when I get back home. So yeah, 3.5 ton from March of 2022, 14 SEER. And yep, R410A refrigerant. It's got an Alliance Squirrel compressor. And here's this one, 2022, from March, same as this one. And it's 3 ton, also has R410A refrigerant. There's the reversing belt. Yeah, and again, tomorrow I'll finish up the video. I'll film the XLIs and the Goodmans. So yeah, reversing now, looking great. They were looking great because the power just came back on earlier today. We've been without power for a while. Crap, hang on. It's coming back. Sorry about this. I'm using my phone and I don't want to get wet. Alright, so yep. Anyways, XR14, LG squirrel compressor, Gentech fan motor, and yeah, here's the Lennox, Copeland Scroll. Starting 36 week of 2015, 2.5 ton. Alright. So yeah, that's gonna be it for these. So I guess I'll see you guys in Florida tomorrow. Alright. Out for now. Okay, so I'm now in Florida with my friend Dylan. What's up?
What's going on, bro?
Yeah, and there's a brand new 2025 unit. You guys remember that old 2017 1.5 ton Goodman was I got starting up? I said it was low, and it was, and it got replaced. So yeah,
New Skibbity Trane, January 2025.
Yeah.
What's it like to be?
January 2025.
Pretty loud.
Not as loud as that old Goodman
Yeah,
was.
not as loud as that one.
But these ones are still cooking. January 2025, it doesn't use R410A anymore, it uses R454B refrigerant.
Oh, I didn't know that.
They switch refrigerants. And these ones use R32 now. 14 SEER XR14, working great. It is a heat pump, so that's good. I'll be here for 2 weeks, so I'll make sure to get a startup with this thing. Yeah, and here's this one. This one's probably next, unfortunately. It's suction line is not that cold. Yep, 1.5 ton for 2017.
So much colder air than this one.
Yeah, this one probably has a leak as well. I'll have to check when it's off. I'll have to see.
Cold air.
That's not supposed to happen. And yeah, here's this one. This one's still cooking away. This one's gonna be here for a long
Really
time.
hot.
Yeah. Yep. This is the 2 ton. So yeah. Alright. I'll combine the video of my Trane XRs that I made yesterday.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright. So yeah. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.